Welcome back to a new video tutorial on Tekla structures. In this video, I would like to talk about how to downgrade a model to a lower versions. Okay, so for instance, we have this simple model opened in Tekla structures 2020, and I want to downgrade this model to a lower version. Let's see here, Tekla 20.1. So for that reason, we need a software called Top Engineer. I will provide the link to download the software in the description below. Okay, so first of all, you should open an empty model in the lower version. That's here, Tekla 20.1. Okay, so the second step is go to the Top Engineer, right click here. The Top Engineer automatically finds your installed Tekla versions on your computer. So you should have both versions. Okay, so and I'll click the Weld app for Tekla Structures 2020. Okay, so we have some tabs here. Go to model tools and import and export. Okay, so I will export this model into a file. So let me choose a position, and here for example, new folder. Okay, open. So the program will export this model into an XML file. Okay, export to that file. Okay, complete. So the second step is going to to the Weld app. This time is Weld app for Tekla structures. Okay, the lower version 20.1. So right click on that, and this time import and export, and open that file which I already exported. Okay, so let's find it. Go to desktop, new folder 3, and open. Okay, so it will automatically import from that XML file. So for that reason, I will click import from the file. Yes, everything is done. Okay, so it should be the environment of the both models should be the same to avoid any problem like missing materials or missing some kind of sections. Okay, this is the end of this video. Hope you guys got something new, and see you soon. Thank you very much.